A recent study provides insights into the potential for global cooperation in tackling the world's challenges, highlighting how humanity can come together. Greetings, everyone. Today's video focuses on an intriguing study that proposes a fascinating idea: uniting humanity to tackle global challenges by recognizing our shared ancestry and embracing transformative experiences. By highlighting our common biology and shared experiences, we can cultivate stronger connections with people worldwide, ultimately leading to greater cooperation and acts of kindness. This research emphasizes the immense potential of fostering a collective global identity to effectively address urgent global issues, instilling hope for a future characterized by unity and collaboration. Without any delay, let us begin our discussion. To conquer the immense obstacles that confront humanity, such as the climate crisis, poverty, food insecurity, and terrorism, it is imperative that we join forces and take collective action on a global level. However, the question remains, what is the key to uniting the entirety of humankind? The findings of a recent study suggest that the secret to strong social bonds may be found in two powerful factors recognized in group psychology: shared ancestry and shared transformative experiences. These factors, however, extend beyond the boundaries of tribes, nations, or religious communities, encompassing all of humanity. According to Lucas Reinhardt, the leader of the Global Cohesion Lab at the Centre for the Study of Social Cohesion, CSSC, University of Oxford, the prevalence of US versus them mentality is increasing worldwide, making it more challenging to address global issues and resolve conflicts. Nevertheless, Reinhardt's research indicates that cultivating a collective global identity has the potential to promote global cooperation. The implications of these findings are extensive and applicable to policymakers, NGOs, politicians, and activists alike. Through two comprehensive studies encompassing over 1,000 participants from the United States, the researchers delved into the possibility of how shared biology and shared experiences with individuals from different parts of the world can cultivate a sense of connection with humanity as a whole, thereby inspiring global-scale acts of kindness and cooperation. In order to investigate the impact of appeals to our shared biological nature on fostering a sense of connection with humanity as a whole, participants in the study were shown a TED Talk given by journalist A.J. Jacobs. In his talk, Jacobs highlighted the fact that all humans share a common ancestry, emphasizing our collective identity as one large human family. The results revealed that those who viewed the video exhibited significantly stronger psychological bonds with humanity at large, in comparison to a control group whose attitudes were assessed prior to watching the video. Additionally, participants who watched the video reported feeling stronger social connections with individuals who supported a different political party when compared to the control group. In an effort to explore the potential for global shared experiences to foster stronger social connections on a worldwide level, this study specifically examined the universal experience of motherhood. By gathering a group of mothers as participants, the researchers discovered that these women formed deeper connections with other mothers from various corners of the globe when they had shared experiences of motherhood in common. The measurement of social bonds in each instance involved a set of visuals featuring two circles that intersected, one circle symbolizing the individual participant, and the other representing a collective entity, such as the entire human population, or the group of all mothers worldwide. The visuals varied in the extent to which the circles overlapped. Participants were tasked with selecting the visual that most accurately depicted their connection to the group, with the visuals displaying the highest degree of overlap, indicating the strongest social bonds with the group. The global psychological connection reported in both studies was evident in the participants' inclination towards pro-social behavior. To gauge this, the researchers employed a measure from the field of behavioral economics, where participants were asked to determine how they would divide a sum of money between individuals from two distinct groups in hypothetical situations. This measure serves as a convenient and economical tool in experiments, providing insights into the level of concern participants have for various groups. It has also been proven to be highly predictive of real-life behavior. The study, co-authored by Professor Harvey Whitehouse, the director of the CSC at the University of Oxford, has focused on examining two different routes to establishing strong group unity, one based on shared biology and the other on shared experiences. However, this particular research marks the first instance in which we have successfully demonstrated the ability to forge profound connections that encompass all of humanity. If we can achieve this outcome through a straightforward experiment, it stands to reason that we can devise even more potent strategies for inspiring collective action on global challenges in the times to come. The key to tackling a variety of global issues, such as intergroup conflicts, extreme poverty, and the climate crisis, may lie in recognizing our shared humanity and the common challenges we all face in life. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.